Bal oldal!
Katonát, menjél! Gyere, gyere!
Mehet!
Igen, Molnár dobj egy füstöt.
Rokkasztsz kell cserélnem!
Jó, cserélj!
Értettem? Nem látom minden.
Figyelj, történt! Oké. Nagyon sok egyes lövés! Két puska rövid sor!
Kettőszet a 2-10, jöhetnek a horvátok kisvétel.
Most küldöm őket.
Szólok majd!
Ott már!
Meg vagytok?
Mehet!
Igen, Molnár dobj egy füstöt.
Rokkasztsz kell cserélnem!
Jó, töltés lőhetitek! Karabélyosok! Pör csak te! És csak ott a rostnál! Egyenesen!
Gunner, I don't know if you can see, maybe that's in the field of fire. Yeah, maybe this is park here, but you will see.
Jó!
Zulu 0. So left 600 at 400. Over.
Tiro 1067.
Vado di cadenza 5, Mike, questa più 5.
Protezione!
Alma base!
Desarma per fuoco di efficacia, bomba HS, spoletta istantanea!
No! Attenzione! Fuoco! Bomba la volata! Attenzione! Fuoco! Fuoco!
Olja! Olja!
Bomba la volata! Attenzione! Fuoco!
Ok.
Bomba la volata! Attenzione! Fuoco! Colpo partito alle balle! Fuoco! Vai, 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 vai!
Vai, passa da là, passa da là. Vai Raci, vai, vai.
Bonifichiamo?
Sì, sì, vai dietro al bunker, passa dietro al bunker. No, non mirare, calma e strike. Calma e strike, corrichiamo. Vai, vai, al primo bunker, all'entrata del primo bunker, vai.
Today we are conducting a battalion lifer exercise, a multinational one. We are working together with Croatians, Italians and the Hungarian army. So the biggest point of this is that we get to know each other and we know how to work together well, and so we can figure out their problems and our problems, and at the end of the day we can do this exercise really smoothly. Actually it feels really good. I know I am protected. I know I can advance to my target, so the enemy is unable to fire at me because they are overrun by this firepower.
The Forward Land Forces in Hungary is an infantry combat team. It's about 800 packs, and it consists of Italian, Croatian and Hungarian forces, and we also have the US company from the Stepan Archer working with us. It's not an organic part, but we do the training together. It's not only Hungarian soldiers here to defend the country in the case of any crisis, but we have NATO forces integrated, and we are an early stage, but the integration is in the maximum level, I guess.